markets are not moving as per what really could be called as the historical trend, so to speak. First rates any seconds now. I'll let the clock do all the talking here. 61 points higher for the Nifty. The breadth is looking powerful. You cannot complain in this kind of a market when you're staring at this kind of a market breadth. We are working with solid set of global cues, which in a sense is really acting as a spring in the stride. Not too many newsmakers, but some of those snack companies, news driven, small pocket, but a pocket where price action could be high. Bikaji, Bikaji, Pratap, you will definitely see an uptick coming in. Gopal Snacks. So that space in a sense illiquid but becomes important space to reckon with. Then is there a lift off in some of the banks, and is there a comeback in some of the commodities? That's the other space which we need to establish in terms of where the trend seems to be moving. And the trend decisively, I think, is in favor of banks, and it is definitely a morning of little bit of comeback for some of the select commodity names. Autos, big beneficiaries of commodities come down. Dispatch numbers are not that strong, but are auto stocks now finding their feet on the ground, so to speak, given that the news has not been that great? And the answer to that is no. So we are off to a great start. Are we likely to build on that? Well, it depends on banks and how things actually move in that particular sector or that particular pocket.
Yesterday it was the global weakness, so IT was on the back foot. Today it's about the global strength, so IT is one of the best performing sector, led by Coforge, which is up 3% right now. Persistent is also doing quite okay, and ditto can be said for Emphasis. Other than that, we're watching out for Nazara Tech. That stock is up around 3% in the trading session. Some of the pharma stocks are reacting to that Biosecure Act, getting passed by the House. So, Aloris Labs, Mankind, Natco Pharma, Biocon, Divi's Lab. Mankind, of course, doesn't get impacted by the Biosecure Act, but nonetheless, that stock is active right now. Taking stock of some more buzzers, so on the gaining side, you have names like Bikaji, Prism Johnson and Oracle, AstraZeneca, Triveni, Suwin, even Paytm for that matter. Yesterday also the stock ended at the highest point of the trading session. There was a 4% up move there. Today as well, 197 AK Paytm is up 3%. On the losing side, Vedanta, PNB Housing, Jubilant Pharma, Alembic Pharma and SBI Life. These are some of the names. In fact, HDFC Life too. So insurance companies are taking it on the back foot. HDFC Life, SBI Life, New India Assurance, GIC, ICICI Pru, Star Health, they're all in the red. No relief as far as insurance is concerned, and that's the reason they are down.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.